Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and shout out to my Jordan Brand family for sending these my way. Today we are going to be discussing a pair of Zion 3s known as the Fresh Paint. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. Today we'll be discussing yet again another one of my favorite silhouettes as far as performance and basketball sneakers go. These are known as the Zion 3 Fresh Paints. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this athleisurely, and then we'll conclude with where you can find these currently and how much they're going for on the retail market. Let's jump right into it. So I've definitely already done a few different color variations on the Zion 3 silhouette. One of the things I love is that they're so varied and so eclectic and different from one another, so it will definitely suit different personalities depending upon what type of person are you. Do you like more OG colorways? Are you somebody who wants more pops of color, or do you kind of want to match your school and your team? This one is definitely paying homage to the Jordan 4 White Cement. I brought my White Oreos out just because I feel like it's honestly very similar with the different touches of color schemes going on this color blocking, and it's just a nice neutral tone. If you're a fan of the White Oreo or the White Cement Jordan 4s, then this may be the color scheme that you probably want to pick up. I think that they did an impeccable job with the look and feel of this sneaker. As far as the upper goes, pretty simplistic. It's all white, and then you're seeing subtle hues of a darker shade of gray for that kind of mud splatter, which is present on all the Zion 3s, which that is symbolic in talking about how Zion is getting himself out of the mud, so basically any obstacles and difficulties. So it's kind of inspiring that he has utilized that print not only on the box but on the sneaker itself. But this is definitely about his Zion carving out his own journey as well. As far as the laces go, simple white laces. We do have this really cool tongue again that just kind of continues that really cool mud splatter. Then the only real pop of color that you're going to see is actually on the tongue here, which is in that bright pop of red, and similar to the red tone that you see here as well. But we've got the Jumpman logo in red, and then we've got the top of the tongue, which is nicely embroidered in red as well, really popping off of that white pearlescent backdrop. Let's take a look at those details and then move along to the side paneling. All right, so wrapping around to the side panels, this is where we're getting some of this nice smooth leather. And then as we work our way to the back, one of the really cool, nice parts about the Zion 3 silhouette is Zion's embroidered logo on the back of the heel here. It's very well done, and they've done it in this nice pop of black, which pops perfectly off of that really nice metallic white threading. The insole, which again, I've talked about the insole, how crazy the insoles are on these, is in a gray hue. And then as we wrap around to the lateral side, this is where we're getting more of the white finish and white leather. And then going down to the bottom, we have a semi-translucent midsole and outsole in this nice gray hue. And of course, it definitely mimics the bottom portion or bottom tier of the midsole on my White Oreos with that nice splattered gray and black marking. And then we've got just a hit of that red for Zion's branding on the bottom. And again, we've got just a typical Zion box to come with the sneaker and completes the entire set. All right, so let's take a look at all those details, then jump into size and fit. As far as size and fit goes, I would say definitely size half a size up in these. I do feel like they run a little bit on the more snug end of things. Again, as far as performance-based sneakers, this is by far one of my top 5 basketball performance shoes of 2023. I just think that as far as grip goes, these are insane. The traction you're gonna get on these, the lateral adjustments and movements that work so well with how stable this silhouette is. This is just all around, in my opinion, one of the best performance basketball sneakers out on the market currently. But definitely I have narrow feet. This is very form-fitting and very snug inside. So if you have wider feet, highly recommend sizing up on this because you may feel like your foot may be a bit congested in these. All right, so as far as styling goes, kept it pretty simple. Decided to continue on with wearing some of my pieces from the Zion capsule collection. Definitely lots of color combinations going on with the sweat pieces here, but definitely served and worked very well with the simplistic tone of the sneakers and the color blocking that they went with on this fresh paint tone.
But yeah, Lord, I as we're in this building as one, we know you're in the midst of us, Lord, that you have put a movement in him, Lord, and we know that you will guide him in everything he wants, Lord, that anything that he seeks his mindset to, you have put that mindset in him, Lord, and you will guide him to the next strength.
I've been with my brothers in the deep end. We've been outside fighting that defense. Why they coming for us for no reason? Yeah, it don't make sense, I can't believe it. I just wanna be free when my dogs outside. We just wanna live our lives and fly. I told all my peers we just gotta ride. Keep it real and love one another. Keep it real and love one another. I've been through the pain, I've been through the struggle.
All right, so as far as retail goes, these retailed at $140 and they're currently available at all Jordan retail stores. So you can find these in store or you can find these online as well. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Again, shout out to my Jordan brand family for sending these my way. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to do that down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxings and reviews. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all next episode.
I just pray to God, please protect my brothers. Got that lethal weapon like I'm Danny Glover. Yeah, that's that lovey-dovey. I've been fighting.